Good morning. I'm making cheeseburger paradise soup. It really does taste like a cheeseburger, but it also has other ingredients in it. It has potatoes in it as well. So let's get started on Darlene's table. Okay, we're going to start with browning the mushrooms. I always brown my mushrooms when I use them in a dish. Takes all that water out of them and gives them a nice color. While the mushrooms are browning, we put 2 tablespoons of butter in my 7-quart Dutch oven. Red bell pepper, carrot. I use poblano peppers. You can use green bell pepper. And I put jalapeno and onion. These mushrooms are almost ready. Now keep sauteing the vegetables. Remove the mushrooms from the skillet. They are ready. Turn the heat off. I put the hamburger into that same skillet to brown. Now I'm adding the garlic to the Dutch oven with the vegetables. I'm adding 3 cups of water and some better than bouillon. I didn't have the bouillon granule, so I'm using this as a substitute. This will dissolve. All right, now the potatoes will go in and we'll cook them. This is 6 medium russet potatoes, peeled and cubed. Continue browning my meat. And that looks like it's ready. We'll turn the heat off and just let this sit. All right, bring the potatoes to a boil and cook them till they're tender. Yes, they're ready. So now I'm going to add the mushrooms to this Dutch oven. We'll put the meat in. All right, give this a good stir. I'm going to add 4 cups of whole milk. You can see this Dutch oven's getting pretty full. This recipe can be divided in half easily. I'm adding my seasonings. Salt and pepper. It needed some salt and pepper. Now put 6 tablespoons of flour into 1 cup of milk. We're going to mix this very well. This is to thicken up the soup a little bit. We're going to mix it well and let it come back up to a slow boil to thicken up. It doesn't get real thick. All right, now 1 pound of processed cheese. I used Velveeta. Now once this cheese is melted, this soup is ready. It's really a very hearty, good soup, and I've even frozen it and had it later. Now, when I freeze it, I always add just a little bit of whole milk or half and half back into it because it makes it creamy again. It separates a little in freezing. So, there we go. We're going to let this sit while I make some cornbread to go with it. Cheeseburger paradise soup. I garnished this soup with bacon bits and a few chives. I made some cornbread to go with it, and it was on. This is one of the heartiest soups you can make, with lots of potatoes, cheese, and 2 pounds of hamburger. I mean, come on. And like I said, you can easily have this recipe and there will still be plenty. A link to a printable recipe is in the video description, as well as a link to the better than bouillon base that I used. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. I cook every day and try to post a video at least every other day. I'd love to see you again here at Darlene's Table. Y'all have a blessed day.